Hi, my name is Madison, and today we are going to talk about assistive technology for sound. We're going to talk about different things that can help people with diminished hearing or who are deaf. And I'm going to wait about 10 seconds so you guys can turn your sound up and so that you can read along with the transcript. So wait. All right, so today we're going to talk about two technologies that will help you when you're using your computer or just around the house just to make everyday life a little bit easier. So we are going to begin. All right, issues with loss of hearing. When you lose your hearing, you become unaware of alerts, threats, other people. It'll throw off your routine. If you can't hear your alarm clock in the morning, if you're using your phone, if you don't have a very loud alarm clock, sometimes you're not able to wake up at the proper time if you don't rise with the sun every day. Hearing aids can't solve all hearing issues. They're very necessary if you need one, but today we're not going to talk about cochlear or medical technologies that can help you. And one more thing that a lot of people don't realize that can hurt with loss of hearing is that if you're in a place in public or in your home with open areas, bare walls and floors, high ceilings, floors and walls with many angles, all of these can contribute to poor acoustic conditions and what is called reverberation. So it's good to look out for these sorts of places, then you'll know you'll be in one of those wet spats where you're just going back and forth and you can't hear each other. So just knowing where there are problems or where potential problems could be in your physical environment is very important. All right, so assistive technology for hearing loss. I picked out two technologies to talk about today. The first being First Alert Smoke Alarm with LED strobe light for the hearing impaired. I've attached a link right here, but I've also attached links to various informative places and websites on our lecture notes and within the course or within this module. And the second is the wireless video doorbell 2. And you can buy this at your local Home Depot or on the Doorbells website. You could probably also find it on Amazon.com. So let's get started talking about these technologies. All right, the light alerting fire alarms. So I've chosen the First Alert smoke alarm with LED strobe light for hearing impaired. So it has integrated photoelectric smoke alarm with and strobe light combo for deaf and hard of hearing. So this means that it can detect it, and when it does detect either smoke or CO2 functions, it will not only make a sound, but it'll also have a specific light pattern to alert you that there's something wrong in the house. And so, let's see. It meets ADA requirement. It has a 177 candela LED light that provides effective visual warning, which means that the light is very bright when it blinks, so you won't be able to miss it. And then smart strobe function with separate flash patterns available when smoke alarm is interconnected with a carbon monoxide detector. So you can get both, so you can detect both depending on what you need for your own home. So this model also features smart strobe technology, which will pulse in different rates to tell you if you have smoke or carbon monoxide. So once you figure out which one is which, it'll be very nice. You see that this is smoking. This is probably from the oven. Something's burning on the bottom of the oven, or carbon monoxide, meaning get out, you know. You must have a carbon monoxide detector with your system and interconnect to this unit for smart strobe function to activate. On the website that I've attached in our lecture notes, you'll be able to read more about the connecting with the carbon monoxide detector. All right. And next, I'm going to talk about smart doorbells, which are very cool, and they're making a big splash not only with the assistive technology community, but also people everywhere, especially if you're living alone, if you it's just you and small children, or if you're just at home alone and you want something for extra protection. So this is when this will alert you when there's somebody you don't know at the door and you're alone, and maybe you don't hear somebody at the door, but this will help you, and I'll tell you why. So this is the wireless video doorbell 2, available at Home Depot. You get motion activated alerts on your phone, tablet, or PC. So if somebody's at your door and you don't even hear them there, your phone will, and you can set your phone to vibrate if you're hard of hearing, and you'll see it'll alert you that there's somebody at your door on your telephone, and you'll see who it is. And if you don't know who it is, you can call the cops, or you can open the door if you do know who they are. You're able to see, hear, and speak to visitors from anywhere. So they have a function on the app that connects to your phone, and you're able to click a button and speak into it. You could say, get away, or I'm calling 911, or hey, I'll be there in just a second. The best thing about this smart video doorbell is that you can the point is that you can access it from your smartphone and operate it. And you can operate it from your iPhone or Android, and it just makes your whole house safer. You can monitor your home, as I said, from any iOS, Android, Mac, or Windows device, so you can do it on any phone or on any computer. There's also a bundle that you might want to splurge for. It includes the video doorbell with Chime Pro and Spotlight Cam. So protect your home day or night with built-in night vision, and sound the Spotlight Cam alarm on suspicious activity. So when you get the Chime Pro and the Spotlight Cam are two different things. The Spotlight Cam comes on when it's motion activated, so it lights up what's going on your front door or whatever door you want to put it on. And then the Chime Pro allows you to put an alarm out to scare that person away if you don't want them there. So it's very nice. It's good for protection. It's good. My main focus on this was that you can have it pop up on your telephone to show you, because you can't always hear what's at your door. And with the vibrating function on your cell phone, it'll be able to alert you quicker when you feel it, rather than just relying on your hearing alone. All right. So that is the end of my lecture today. Please go on your module and go on the discussion and share your ideas and thoughts with me about this lecture today. All right. Have a great day.